Welcome to Lope Hair Atelier, and in today's educational video I'm going to talk about the differences in terminology when we talk about beautiful, quality and luxury hair or a wig. These three terminologies sometimes are confused, that interchange or used as if they are synonymous, but they are not. Beautiful wig, quality wig and luxury wigs are three different things in the industry. A beautiful wig can be quality, but a beautiful wig can also not be quality. A quality wig can be beautiful, but it may not be a luxury wig. You get what I'm saying? So I'm going to explain today what do we mean, or what determine what is the specific and characteristic for us to what these three terminology actually work for or are meant to mean. Now, beautiful mostly mean the presentation the hair have, the wig have. So let me just give an example now. You can have a beautiful wigs on the factory website, on a vendor and online hair boutiques. That is how the hair looks, the wig look, the bundle looks. It looks beautiful. A very skilled hairstylist can make any mediocre, low to medium quality hair looks beautiful through styling, how they can style it for that specific event, picture, photo shoot. That is it. So beauty just talks about the presentation the wigs have with you in that moment. That's all it is. Now, what is quality? Quality refers to biological property or characteristic a hair, a wig have. So quality will determine mostly the longevity of your wig. Now, there are also other things that determine quality, is the origin of the hair, or better, not much the origin, but the sourcing technique used to acquire that hair. The factory used to acquire that hair, and we'll go into sourcing technique in another video. So quality mostly tells you the longevity of the hair. So quality hair lasts longer and process better if you have to do coloring, bleaching and other things, where low quality hair lasts less and take any chemical processing not good. Most of low quality hair, once you try to bleach or other type of chemical processing, it ruins it immediately. Now come the third category that many people confuse or don't understand. When I'm talking with some client, they're like, but how come quality hair is not luxury hair? The reason why quality hair is not automatically luxury hair is because having quality hair, okay, in the realm of luxury, having quality hair is the basic. Okay, so let me just take for example a wig. Having a luxury wig, for the hairs to be quality, is the minimum basics the hair have to have. Okay, so the wig has to have. So what make it and luxury is something else. And before I explain that, I want to go into talking or explaining this aspect of luxury. Now, the word luxury itself actually carries a under meaning of exclusivity, of limited quantity, of not everybody can put their hands on these products. These products come into limited quantity. So you can see that quality hair comes in a large quantity. You get what I'm saying? It's not something that determines being luxury. Quality hair is produced every day by factory, is sourced every day by hair collector. What make a wig or a specific hair luxuria is the limited quantity. When it comes to hair bundle, you just think of Slavic hair. Slavic hair is very limited in quantity because the Eastern European population in general, as a culture, don't grow their hair to cut it and sell it. You get, differently from Asian country, especially if you think of India, and Philippine is different. There is not, in Eastern Europe, there is not this massive culture of, oh, let me go and cut my hair off to sell it. And is a type of hair more difficult to source, and is a hair that is totally different from an Asia hair. So you can see that already the origin of the hair making it luxury, and it comes into limited quantity. Another thing that makes hair luxury is, you just, let me give another example. When it comes to color wigs, you can never ever compare color wigs makes in factory, no matter if they are in the Philippines, Vietnam, or China. You can never compare those color wigs with the craftsmanship and handwork of a very trained, educated hair colorist who pays attention to the hair origin, the bleaching techniques, that looks into which better bleaching techniques works best for a specific hair type, and color transition, blendability is totally different. And when it comes to those type of color wigs, you do understand that they are limited quantity, because most of the time they are custom made. You have a specific artist, I call them artists, hair colorists, I call them artists, that spend hours and hours, sometimes multiple days, to create this beautiful warm tone or blend or type of blonde that a factory will never get. So you can see that quality and luxury are not the same thing. They cannot be interchangeable. The thing is that for a wig or a hair bundle to be luxury, its fundamental basic is to be of high quality. I hope that makes sense, and it is clear to you guys. If I'm not, you want to ask me any question, please comment down in the comment section, and I will be clearer. Or you can follow me on any of my page and other social media pages, and DM me there on Instagram and TikTok. I'm always Lope Hair Atelier. Okay, and I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you found it interesting and that can help other lady, please make sure to put a like and to share with your friends, and we shall see in the next video. Bye.